Hello guys, so today I wanna show you how to solve the problem of counting characters in a given string. It's sometimes an interview question, so I thought I'd do a quick tutorial about it. So let's call the project counting characters. Okay, let's press next, create. Okay. And as usual, first of all, let's just console dot foreground color equals foreground color dot green. Enable hackerman mode. Okay. So your input will be console dot readline, and let's right line the input just to see if this works. Counting characters. Okay. So let's say we have a random string and it prints it out. Okay, we have also some creation characters here. You can see it did print them out as the normal ones. That's weird. Anyways, I won't be using those in this guide. It doesn't matter for the interview question as well. Okay, so so to solve this problem, it's super easy actually. You just need a for loop on input.length, and for each character in input of I, you just need to have some sort of like a dictionary which connects your character to the number of occurrences, which is an integer. But let's do this in a cool way. Let's create our own dictionary for this. So let's create a new folder. Let's call it collections, and let's use our CharDictionary that we already created in the last video with some changes to it. CharDictionary. Okay, let's make it public, and it needs to be of T, I'm pretty sure. So I'm also pretty sure it does have an inner array, which is T array, and let's initialize it immediately to new T array of, let's say, some big number, so it doesn't matter really. So to show you how, if you don't remember how to create an indexer syntax, you just Google it, like C# indexer. Okay, and you go to here and you find this piece of code. This is what you need. You need this, and that's basically it. Okay, but we need characters. But if we do this, this will convert character to integer, but we wanna start from the 0 from in the array. So to do that, we can do something like so character C, let's call it C, and subtract from C the char value of 0. Okay, it may seem weird, but so let me just check something out. Maybe we can do this. Maybe we can show this cleanly somehow. Like maybe console right line. I'm pretty sure that the 0 delimiter character is actually has a value 0. So let me check. Var test equals this, int test1 equals test. So let's just implicitly cast this to this, and see what's the value of. Okay, I have some. Let's just comment this out for now. Okay. Okay. So what does it say? White line test. It doesn't give us anything. Oh yeah, I forgot to input something. So yeah, it is actually 0. Okay, which means we don't need to do some stuff like this, but a simple subtraction, or how do you say it, of the 0 character. And same goes with the setter. Okay, this means that basically any character you input, it will have its own value from 0 to its ASCII value, in the ASCII table, and it will fit in the array. So array won't start if let's say this is letter A and we don't have this here, then we would input that at position T of ASCII value of A, which is I think 48 or something like that, or 65 actually, I don't know. So yeah, and let's fix this up to make it look cooler. Synthetic sugar stuff like this looks clean, cool, and this is the dictionary that we will use. Okay, and so now let's say var CharDict equals new CharDictionary, which is in our counting characters.collections, and it is and it's keeping integers in. Okay, so now for each, okay, of course, sorry. Now for each character in this string, we will do CharDict of CharDict of input of I plus plus. We will just increment it. We know that all the values in our character dictionary are already zeroed out because we defined the whole array. So this way we already have everything set up, and let's now print it out somehow. Okay, so CharDictionary, so it has some values in it, but to get those values we would need to somehow iterate through it. So let's make it INumerable of t and implement the interface, and just return the like this. Let's just return the inner array dot get enumerator, and here let's return inner array as INumerable of t get enumerator. We know it is. This will never be null because we did define it as INumerable of t, and we will just get this inner array of values. But the inner array of values are only the values, so that doesn't fit our problem really well. We need something else. We will, by doing this, something like this, like string.join, and saying, let's say this and CharDict, you'll see what we would get now. Actually, I never printed it out because of right line. See? So yeah, that doesn't really help us, right? So what we actually need is that functionality of dictionary, the functionality that gives you key value pairs. So let me show you. So if we had a normal dictionary equals new dictionary of integer, but let's make this car. Normal dictionary dot let's say if it contains key input of I, then we will do input of I plus plus. Oh no, sorry, not input of I, but the normal dictionary of input of I, we will increment it. Otherwise, normal dictionary of input of I will become 0. Okay, so in this case we would go like for each var item in normal dictionary dot keys, and then we would do something like this, console write line. Let's do a formatted string, something like this. Character or occurrences, let's say occurrences, and character is the item which is a key, and normal dictionary of that item. Okay, and let's try this out. You see, so there's 3 of A's, 1, 2, 3, S only 1, D 2, 1, 2, F 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, yeah, I think actually F, there's 3 occurrences of F, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so our issue was we need to set this guy here on 1 instead. Let's check it out now. ASD, FF, 2F, 2S, yeah. Now, so this is the proper solution. So how would we make our own car dictionary to work that way as well? So, so instead of using only this inner array, we would need to have some sort of key value pairs. So we would need to have something something that actually keeps the keys in as well. It's like private read only T keys or something like that. And it's not T, it is actually character array. And not even array, it's more of like a hash set of car. Let's try to do something like that then. So let's think, how do we do this? So we will go away from the cool syntax and get back to the regular one. This will still return the proper value. Okay, come on, give me something. I guess I'm missing this. Let's see now. Okay, nice. This is nice. So get doesn't really need to change, right? But the set needs to change. Let's see, what are we missing here? So here we need keys dot add C minus C minus this thing. So basically this is our key. Our key equals this. And it needs to be a character, right? So let's now this is our integer. Our keys are actually integers, not the. Oh wait, no, they are characters. So let's get back to this, and we actually just need to add C as a key, but we also need to somehow connect it to the value, but we already know how it's connected. We have this function to connect. Okay, so let's what do we need as well? So we need keys and contains key. So public bool contains key, and we need to check if it contains character C. So let's check if our keys that contains C, and I think that's basically it, right? Yeah, that should be fine. And we also need to return our key collection. So our public, let's see what it is here. Here's a key collection. Let's just make it enumerable of no, let's just return our hash set. I'll return a hash set of car keys, and let's return keys. Simple as that. And let's try it again now, and let's just replace this normal dictionary with our car dictionary, and let's see if it will work now the same as it worked with the normal dictionary. Occurrence is 4, occurrence is 3, 3, 3, 4. I think it's right. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. S 1, 2, 3. D 1, 2, 3, and F 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Or let's do some string like this, and as you can see, it's all working as it should be. Okay, let me check. It's already 20-minute recording. So what we learned here is how to actually create our own dictionary that doesn't have a custom key, but the key is always some character, but we have all the other functionality that we needed to solve this problem. We got the keys array, the keys hash set, and the contains method, and the indexer, and we can get back to this detective sugar for this one. And let me check. Input may be null here. Okay, so then don't be null. No errors, no warnings. What is the message? New expression can be simplified. Okay, and that's it basically. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Do we need this? Like contains key? I don't think we actually even need contains key, because ours is already initialized to let's see. Let's ABC. Yeah, we don't need it. because ours doesn't need to have our collection doesn't need to have doesn't need to initialize its values because we have an inner array which is already zeroed out. Okay, so this is the final solution for that interview question. I mean this collection here plus this one. Okay, thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye.